The exclusive secret to youthful skin is now available to all.
To put on a product that you know is going to do all the work for you overnight, magical.
It was like a miracle product for me. I couldn't believe how easy it was to use.
Direct from the beauty capital of the world comes the official skincare line of Beverly Hills. With advanced, proven ingredients that erase the appearance of wrinkles, tighten and protect skin, even increase collagen production. These are results you have to experience to believe, and we've made it easy.
I remember looking in the mirror going, something's happened. And that was a neat day.
I've been getting, your skin looks amazing. What are you doing? Oh, I've also been getting, what have you done? Who's your doctor?
This is really, really great stuff. I've seen it on myself, I've seen it on other people, and I wouldn't be standing here saying this if it weren't true.